Want to control YouTube TV with your smart home devices? It's easier than you think. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to set it up. But before we dive in, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss any tips. Step 1. Check device compatibility. Make sure your smart home devices are compatible with YouTube TV. Some supported devices include Google Assistant, Amazon Alexa, and Apple HomeKit. You'll also need a smart TV or a streaming device like Chromecast, Roku, or Amazon Fire TV Stick. Step 2. Connect your smart home device. If you have Google Assistant, open the Google Home app and tap Add. Select Setup Device and choose Works with Google. Search for YouTube TV and link your account. For Amazon Alexa, open the Alexa app and go to Skills and AMP, Games. Search for YouTube TV and enable the skill. Link your YouTube TV account and follow the prompts. For Apple HomeKit, open the Home app and tap Add Accessory. Follow the instructions to connect your YouTube TV. Step 3. Control YouTube TV with voice commands. Now that everything is connected, you can control YouTube TV with simple voice commands. For example, "Hey Google, play my favorite show on YouTube TV." "Alexa, open YouTube TV and watch the latest movie." "Hey Siri, turn on YouTube TV." Step 4. Enjoy seamless control. You can now enjoy hands-free control and make your YouTube TV experience more convenient by integrating it with your smart home devices. That's it. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more smart home and YouTube TV tips. Rocket Television.